Hello Sagittarius, welcome to Max's Tarot. This is your love reading for May 12th to the 18th, 2020. Let's see what's going on for you guys in love. I hope you're all staying safe and staying healthy. I uploaded the monthly video not too long ago, so if you haven't seen that one, check out the video section of this channel. Nothing is more accurate than a personal reading, so if you'd like one by me about your situation, about what's going on with your particular love interest, then go to my website maxestarot.com for all the details. Welcome to all my subscribers. So good to have you here. If you're new, consider subscribing. I upload weeklies and monthlies. And lastly, hit that like button for me. Thank you so much for your support, you guys. All right, what's going on with my Sagittarius in love? Okay, Page of Swords, Ace of Wands, the Magician, the High Priestess, the Eight of Wands, the Four of Pentacles, two more cards for my Saggies, the Queen of Cups, and the Four of Wands in reverse. You got the Tower in reverse. Sagittarius, what's going on? You went through a tower moment? Is that what's going on? You went through some sort of situation that was a breakup or a separation? Have you gone through a personal transformation? Have you had some sort of shakeup in your life? Are you trying to avoid it? Dealing with a water sign here, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, probably also Aquarius or Gemini, Aries. Okay. All right, let me see if I can make sense of this. Because this person, whoever you're dealing with, they're in love. They have emotion here for you. Now, it could be that they're repressing it. They're not telling you about it. It could be that somebody's in love with you but not telling you about it. They're observing you from a distance, or they're checking out your social media. They may be doing this while you're starting some sort of connection with somebody else. Or it could be that, yeah, you feel something for them. The flame is still burning, or is burning for this person. So this could be somebody that's still in love with you and checking you out, okay? And maybe there was a lot of intimacy between the two of you, and that's pretty much what went on, right? There was sex, but not much of anything else. Not a lot of commitment, not a lot of stability in the past. Now, during the 12th to the 18th, this person wants to manifest. They want you. They're talking to the universe about a lover, about somebody they want dearly. And hey, it's your reading, so it must be that they're wanting you. Now, with the High Priestess in reverse, it could be that you're not feeling it. Okay, and that's usually how it goes, right? When you want somebody, they don't want you. When you don't want them, they want you. You know, we can't get it together as humans, can we? So yeah, this person is really into you, spying on you, looking you up, and you're not feeling it. I mean, I think the passion is there. I think physically the two of you enjoyed this very much. They fell in love, but you didn't really, okay? You're not being called to want to be with them. Now, take the reading from the side that resonates best, because it could be a reverse reading. It could be that you're really into them, but they're not really into you, okay? Communication. This person is trying to shoot the arrows of love, enticing you. Maybe, you know, if the two of you have communication, they are expressing themselves in a very passionate way. They're being very sweet, very affectionate. But again, you're not feeling it. You're like, I'm closed off. Quit shooting those arrows at me, you know? Because here this person is trying to get to you here with this Eight of Wands. And you're like not even thinking about it, protecting your heart or your mind, not taking any action. So this could be just something that will end up crumbling down, mostly for the other person than for you. And then with this Four of Wands, you know, I don't see the stability. I don't see, yeah. Why are you doing this, Sagittarius? Why are you closed off to this connection? Why are you protecting yourself? It may be that you're just coming out of something else, and so that's why you're just not ready to move forward with somebody new, or even with give this other person a chance. Now, for some of you, this is somebody new, okay? Somebody who's recently taken an interest, really wants to make this happen, but you are not paying attention. You're not paying attention because you're still trying to recover from something that ended or is ending. It could be that you're in another relationship and you can't really put your radar on this other thing happening. Okay, let's see what else is going on for Sagittarius. Please hit the like button if you haven't done so yet, you guys. Thank you so much. Six of Swords. Yeah, this is somebody who could have moved away from you at some point, either physically or just emotionally. They're far, they're at a distance, or it's been a long time since there was communication between the two of you. You still feel passion for this person, or maybe that's all you ever did feel, just the passion. I feel like I keep saying that over and over again because I don't really see cups on your end towards this person. The Sun card, you may have been dealing with a Leo. Could be that, yeah, there were good times, but they were also not so good times with this person. Eight of Pentacles, they want to put effort into this relationship or situation. They also could work with you. Or maybe they're really busy working. But even if they're really busy working, they're still thinking about you. King of Pentacles, yeah, so you may have somebody else. Or you may not be looking for commitment with this individual. Yeah, this person is shooting arrows at you, trying to see if you take any action, respond, reply, make a move. And they're patiently waiting. They're patiently waiting to see when you're gonna get your, you know, your stuff together, you know, when you're gonna open your heart, your mind towards them. Yee. Seven of Wands. Yeah, you have boundaries, very strong boundaries, pretty much blocking this individual. Wow, Sagittarius. The Lovers. They see you as a soulmate. They know that there are problems between the two of you, but they really desire you. This could be a divine union. Okay, but definitely your guard is up. Nine of Pentacles. Yeah, you want to preserve your independence. You don't want to see yourself in any sort of relationship right now. At least with this person, you want to be independent from them. And we have the Three of Swords. So yeah, heartbreak, third-party situation, third-party energy. The Devil. Lies, deceit, obsession, codependency, addictions. Who is it, Sagittarius? Is it you? Is it them that has a lot of issues that you still need to deal with? A lot of things that need to come to light that you need to heal? Because I see a destructive pattern here from one of you. Or maybe the two of you, when you come together, this becomes very toxic and very painful. And maybe you feel the situation won't change. Very interesting reading. If you'd like a personal, go to maxestarot.com. Hit like, subscribe, leave me comments. Share this video on social media. Sagittarius, there's a monthly video for you as well in the video section of my channel. I think I mentioned that. So check that out. I hope to see you again soon. Take care. Bye.